What's up, y'all? It is a new day, and guess what we doing today, man? We picking up the Cadillac XTS. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go, man. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. I need everybody right now, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. That is the like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. They're all right next to each other. When you click on the notification bell, you need to click the all button. That way, every single time that you guys, well, every single time that I post something, then you guys will know, and then we'll be straight. All right. Also, I got on Tego's other hat, man. See, I've been rocking this stuff, man. I ain't got my merch, but we coming, man. It's premium hat line. You guys want a color like this or a different color, whatever. www.richlovemn.com. Also, I have the links in the description below. You can make some free money down there. Get some free Bitcoin and all some extra stuff. But right now, I am in Wells Fargo, and I finally got to be able to move up here. So I'm gonna have to pause this intro, and then we'll get back to it. All right, y'all. I don't know exactly where we were at with the intro, but it is what it is, man. Make sure you guys go down and also get some of them free stocks and some of that free money, man. Go check out the description. Also, I guess we need to get just to this video, right? Right now, you guys, I'm on my way over to Brian's, and I'm going to Brian's because I'm going to run my first car through Copart. I'm running my first car through Copart, you guys. So I'm excited. I want to see what's going to end up happening with it. If you guys been watching these videos, then you guys have been, I kind of gave y'all a little glimpse before I said we was going to mess with a certain car, and that's what the car we're going to mess with today. So I already talked to Copart. My account's been active for years, you guys. I've never been there. Everybody keeps asking me, do I like Copart or do I like IAA? Why don't I like IAA? Why don't I like Copart? Reason why, Brent Beyer said it the best that I could say. It's a glorified junkyard. Point blank, period. So, and that's in my opinion, my professional opinion. The reason why I say that is because, one, Copart and IAA, I'm not trying to throw shots at them, but at the same time, I'm keeping it real. One day, I might end up messing with Copart. I might end up messing with IAA. I don't know, right? But if you can't drive the car messed up, it's a public auction / dealer auction that everybody has access to, where the prices are going way more than they should, right? And you know that there is an 80% chance that you are buying a car that is messed up. Plus, I've heard 100,000,000, that's not even a number, horror stories, man, from other dealers that I know that actually frequent there. So, and you know, as far as like those big old, they put them on a big old, I don't even know what you call them, forklifts. They put them on the forklifts, and then they end up puncturing something in the engine or the training, and then now you got a bigger issue than what you originally were going for. So that's what I've heard, you know what I'm saying? Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, if you make money from Copart, IAA, and all that stuff, let me know. That's dope, you know what I'm saying? I don't fault you, but my big thing is like this. You guys see me buy all these cars, right? From the dealer, like the other dealer auctions, right? Like the sole dealer only auctions, the ones that you can go test drive, we were able for a long time to be able to put our code readers on them, and actually put them through the ringer and all that good stuff, right? So you guys see that even with me driving these cars, right, that you don't know what's going to happen, right? It's very, very rare, right, that you guys see me, you know, in a car that magically breaks down on me, right? You know, you guys saw me buy lots and lots of cars. So I mean, you guys probably saw like maybe 5 to 7 bad cars over the course of this year. And how many cars have I bought? Gripped, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's a good ratio for me knowing what I'm kind of getting into. But would you go out there and my thing is like, I'm gonna start up the car, I can bag it up a little bit and then go forward a little bit and then hope that it goes into overdrive when I drive it. Like, nah, I'm straight, bro. Like, it's just a big risk. So that's me rambling, but at the same time, I'm bringing this car out here because it's, I don't forget what year it is, man. We're gonna figure it out when we get out here. We're going to Brian's, but I'm bringing it out there because it's smashed up. Matter of fact, let me just shut up, man. I'm gonna see y'all in a second. All right, guys, here we are at Brian's. Unfortunately, he couldn't find a key right now, so it is what it is, but I'm gonna show you guys this car again anyway. That way you guys know what I'm talking about, man. So 2012 Toyota Corolla LE. This is officially me and Brian's car. I'm gonna just point out everything. I wonder if the door's open, actually. No, it's not open, but you can see the scrape right there, you guys, on that side. It's also missing the wheel cover right there. This is all beat up right there. This is all beat up right here. So we got the bumper, obviously. We got the headlight, the fender. This thing was actually the dude who actually crashed this thing. Messed it up so bad, man, that you can see that this is bent right here. This wasn't like this. This tire was flat. Well, it was another tire, but the tire was popped. This thing was like down here. So Brian was able to like do his thing with the metal and heat it up and get it to go back a little bit straight. So anyways, that's that, man. The interior though, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see in there, it's actually pretty clean. This thing's got like 94,000 miles on it. So that's that, man. This is beat up right here, and we already saw that. So and this thing is a one owner. I think it'll do well. We were going to actually end up fixing it and selling it, but I was like, man, we might as well just, you know, get rid of all these projects that we got and just go ahead and just, you know, just run it through the auction. So we should be able to make some money on it, and we're gonna make it happen. So dope thing, man, is about having like a cool mechanic and me being like a cool car dealer, in my opinion, or person in general, is that we get along so well. And you guys, I mean, you guys been here, so you guys know that me and Brian probably started doing business probably what, 6 months ago, right? Like, yeah, about 6 months ago. And ever since then, man, we've been like really clicking on the business side. We actually formed a friendship, but you know, he understands, he's a business owner, I'm a business owner, and we understand that, yeah, we can have fun outside of work, but when we're working, like, we got to get to these blue faces. So that's what we've been doing, man. And I just love when I get people that are like that. You guys know I like to keep people close to me. Also, man, yeah, also, man, Chris hit me up too, which is crazy. And he has somebody at his shop, so his regular shop, and they are in need of a new car. Well, we got a lot of stuff going on, man. Brian, there's another car that he's junking out there. The lady's going to actually buy a car from me. She's probably gonna end up buying that Buick. And then what else is going on? Chris, what happened with Chris today? Oh, so Chris was going, a motor blew on a GMC, no, a Chevy Equinox, like a 2013 Chevy Equinox today. So he knows the person that set, like, was going to fix it, but it's like a $4,800 job at the shop. So he said he's going to see if we can buy that, and then we're probably going to end up actually fixing that one if we can get a good deal on it, and then actually running it through the auction too. So if we get a good deal, he's going to do the labor, and we're going to make some money. You know what I'm saying? So my thing is just, I guess one of my point is, y'all, is just make sure you do good business, make sure you do good by people, and then you know, I guess everything will come full circle, man, regardless. But let's get to the next place that we're going to be getting to. Hopefully we can figure something out. I got people hitting me up for the Buick, people hitting me up for the Volkswagen. That thing, oh my God, y'all, the Volkswagen Passat, y'all, I have officially showed that thing 5 times. Ridiculous, man. All I'm getting is first-time car buyers, literally first-time car buyers, guys. And they are literally tire kicking. They don't know what they want. They don't know what's going on. They don't know, like, their reasonings for not buying a car is just off the chain. It's ridiculous. And I ain't gonna repeat all that because I'm getting long-winded right now. But let's get to the money, y'all. Let's make these blue faces, man. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. Test for you guys. So everybody that's been rocking with me for a minute, then you're gonna remember this, man. I'm right here. So think about a bad incident, man. I'm at O'Reilly's, man. My favorite place to shop, not this location though, but I'm at O'Reilly's, guys, and I just had to deal with Jose, man. So you guys remember the assistant manager that gave me the big old thing, and basically, like, I was stealing from the company and whatever. So my brother, which is a manager in a different location, he ended up, I ain't gonna do tell you guys the whole story, but he ended up giving him a call. I forgot to update you guys with that. And he told me, hey, I took care of it. You ain't never, ever gotta worry about that dude again. That's all I gotta say. And so I walked in, and this dude has never, ever been nice to me. He's like, hello. And I'm like, I had to do a core return for the caliper on one of the cars, man, and to get about $20 back, man. So he's like, have a nice day and everything. I mean, super nice, man. So I just had to say, man, my bro got his ass together, so that's cool, man. That's cool. I just had to give y'all that update, man. Obviously, I'm going to have to see y'all tomorrow, man. It is getting a little dark out. Got a couple people that ended up hitting me after hours, man, and I am off for the day, man. So I will be hopefully selling some cars tomorrow, man. So I'll see you then. What's up, y'all? It is a new day, and guess what we doing today, man? We picking up the Cadillac XTS, man. So I'm super happy. I'm super ecstatic, but I'm gonna be more happier when he actually gets here. So he went to like the store or something. So let's go see if we can peek up in here actually. All right, y'all, I haven't went outside yet. Key right there, baby. Let's see what she looking like. Let's see what she looking like, man. Trunk looking nice and spiffy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Rim on fleek. Okay. Okay. Why you lying, dude? It wasn't that dirty. It was dirty. Okay, you got the ceiling together. Okay. He put the extra sauce on there for me. Yeah, I put extra mayo. Yeah, man. Man, you got this big old stain right here, man. Nah, it's fucking shit. Nah, yeah, let me see that whole peripheral on that joint. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be riding good in this joint. Yeah. Look at this interior on this side. Get y'all fresh start up. I'm about to, oh yeah, I popped the hood. Hold on, let me take my backpack off, make sure I can sit down. Start this joint up. Still sounding good, baby. Man, you guys don't understand how much I love this car, you guys. I love it, man. Let's look at this hood, under the hood. I'm gonna have to buy me some floor mats for this, or I'm gonna take it out of the truck probably, actually.
Let me get you something to put on your feet, bro.
I appreciate it. Yeah, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Yeah, man, he did his thing, y'all. Most definitely. Let me shut this hood. So y'all gonna see me in this a lot more often, you guys. This is gonna be the one, man. This is me, man. I love sports cars and everything, but I love low-key cars that I can just hop in and go. So y'all already know, man. But anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing on the road real quick. And we actually got some cars that we might be selling today. So yeah, I'm gonna have to keep it moving and grooving, but I will see you guys in a second. All right, y'all, man, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It's just way more better than it was before. Like, we already knew that I was excited about this car, but now that it's all cleaned up, everything is the way that it should be, man. I mean, look at this interior, y'all. He did his thing. I knew underneath all that dirt, it was gonna be something epic, and that's what happened, man. He got this thing polished up right. Everything's cool. The only thing that I noticed, man, is, and I'm not gonna blame that on him at all, but that window right here, you guys, is not working now. I tried both switches, and yeah, man, looks like that thing went out. So it is what it is. I may end up fixing that another time, but I'm not finna deal with that right now. So I guess this is kind of gonna be the little project car. We just got a couple little more things we gotta do. We're gonna pace ourselves on it though, because I'm gonna enjoy this joint, man. Yeah, man, I really like this car, man. And then also, man, I ain't even gonna spoil nothing. But anyways, man, y'all just stay tuned, keep tuned to everything that's going on with it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video with that one. Catch me on the next video, and hopefully we'll be selling some cars, man. I'm out. Peace.